a deep investigation, Mark is visibly nervous but maintains his innocence. The examiner, a veteran with years of experience, is confident in his abilities and believes he can easily detect deception. During the examination, Mark exhibits heightened physiological responses, including an increased heart rate, rapid breathing, and sweaty palms when questioned about the stolen item. However, the examiner clarifies Mark's overconfidence, misinterprets these reactions as signs of deception. He ignores Mark's repeated claims of innocence and explanation that his anxiety stems from the seriousness of the accusation, not guilt. This misinterpretation leads to an inaccurate conclusion that Mark is lying, potentially compromising the reliability of the entire examination.
Factors of a polygraph accuracy. First, overconfidence biases. The examiner overconfidence his abilities lead him in disregarded alternative explanation of Mark's psychological responses. He assumes he experienced rendered himself infeasible, failing to consider potential factors contributing Mark's anxiety. Second, lack of individualized assessment. The examiner failed to consider Mark's individual characteristics and background. Mark's heightened anxiety could have stemmed from a history of trauma. A fear of false accusations is generally tendency towards nervousness. In an employed questioning techniques, the examiner may have employed leading or suggestive question. Inadvertent intake, influencing Mark's response and psychological reaction. This could have further amplified Mark's anxiety and contribute to the misinterpretation of his responses. Limited understanding of psychological response. The examiner may have lacked a comprehensive understanding of the non-essence of psychological response. Anxiety, fear, and stress can all trigger similar psychological reactions, making it crucial to differentiate between these emotions and decisions. Solution to improve reliability. Remedy and open-mindedness. Examination should be a close polygraph examination with humility, acknowledging the limitation of the techniques and the possibility of misinterpretation. They should be open to considering alternative explanation for psychological response and avoid jumping to conclusion. Next is to pretest interview. A comprehensive pretest interview is a crucial to gather information about the examinee's backgrounds, emotional state, and any potential factor that could influence their psychological responses. This allows for a more individual's approach to examine, neutral and unbiased questioning. Examiners should employ neutral and leading questions to avoid influencing the examinee's response. They should also avoid using jargon or complex language that could cause confusion or anxiety.
Continuous training and education. Examiners should continuously update their knowledge and skills through ongoing training and education. This ensures they stay abreast of the latest research and best practices in polygraph examination, including the nuances of physiological responses and the potential for bias. Use of multiple techniques. In cases where doubt exists, utilizing multiple polygraph techniques or incorporating other investigation methods can help corroborate findings and provide a more comprehensive assessment. This can help reduce the reliance on a single examiner's interpretation and provide a more balanced perspective. Conclusion: while polygraph examinations can be a valuable tool in investigations, their accuracy hinges on the examiner's competence, objectivity, and understanding of the complexities of human physiology and psychology. Overconfidence bias and inadequate questioning techniques can significantly compromise the reliability of polygraph results. By implementing solutions that promote numeric, individualized assessment, neutral questioning, and continuous screening, examiners can enhance the accuracy and reliability of polygraph examinations, ensuring a more just and equitable application of these controversial